Hello and welcome aboard the Piccola. Today we're going to show you the inside of the Piccola. The Piccola is for sale and is located in Porto Lagos, Greece. Let's start outside right away. Here you can see the brand new dinghy and the matching outboard motor, which is also new. On the roof of the catamaran, you'll find the newly installed Starlink system. I'm really excited to take you on a little tour inside the Piccola now. So please come in and welcome aboard the Piccola. The Piccola has glass doors, and as you can see, we can also hide ourselves a bit, either from view or from mosquitoes with some little curtains. This is the salon. And here is one more detailed perspective, looking outside from the salon across towards the helm and the spacious outdoor seating area. Here we are once again in this beautiful salon, where you can clearly see the high-quality wooden dining table and the modern kitchen area equipped with a brand new oven and a professional gas stove, as well as a premium Italian coffee machine for your enjoyment. And here's the way to the forward cabin. At the moment, this is my personal cabin with lots of nice storage compartments for bags and hats. And on this side, you'll find the technical equipment, a small wardrobe, and the Victron. Everything is lit up on the Piccola. And here is the bed. I've set up a small mosquito net here because in southern countries, it's always a good idea to protect yourself. And this is the bathroom of the Piccola. So right here, we have a wonderful view of the starboard bow cabin, which is one of the 4 spacious double cabins found on the Piccola. And then, in just a brief moment, we will also get to see one of the 3 private shower bathrooms located on board. And now we're going back to the starboard aft cabin. In the passageway to the cabin that we've converted into an office, we've set up a kind of walk-in closet, which is also lit. This was the former skipper's cabin, and we use it as a fully equipped office with a printer, our Starlink router, a monitor, and we've installed air conditioning there as well. Here's a little special feature. In the passageway, I've created another small area for clothes and a walk-in closet. And then we have something really special. We've set up an office here with large monitors, a corner desk, and air conditioning, which you definitely need from time to time when working here. We're fully equipped with a printer, and that's also where the Starlink router is located, the one you saw earlier, where you saw the antenna up top. Now, let's make our way over to the left-hand porthole. Alright, let me take you into the port hall. So this is the 3rd cabin we have here. Also with a double bed for 2 people. and fit it with carpet flooring. As a special feature, we have a small seat here, a seating area, and we also have all indirect lighting here, plus another wardrobe in this cabin, which is also lit. All right, let's continue through the passageway here. On this side, we have the guest toilet. Let's take a look inside. I already showed it a moment ago. We have an especially large sink here, and mirrors both below and above. And now we come to the front cabin, which we've named the honeymoon suite. Here too, there's a large double bed, some nice decorative touches with the flowers, and the indirect lighting that's typical for the Piccola. And of course, as it is a full suite, it also features its own private, dedicated bathroom, plus an incredibly large walk-in wardrobe located right behind it, plenty of convenient storage options, and even a fully automatic soap dispenser for your use. Well, that's it. I'd be happy to show you a few more impressions from the outside now. Here you can see it again with the sun and wind protection lowered. On the roof, there's the brand new 1,200 watt solar system installed. By the way, our folding bike is, of course, also included in the sale price of the Piccola.